Hi, hello. This is Bobby Delara of DWBL. Juvie de Guzman presents Let's Talk on the Air. I'd like to greet Juvie de Guzman and Company for the 23 years celebration this year. And with that, I'd like also to greet and thank our fellow co-host, Captain Rolly Durana, of course, Juvie de Guzman, and MJ, our technical director. Of course, together with Ruel Ulanday at DWBL 1242 kilohertz. So right here, right now, I'm very proud to be part of you guys, and I would like to greet you, Juvie. Panahon pa tayo before with the Pink Elephant. Remember, you were even live and you were singing there and then hosting programs. So it's been about 23 years that passed since we last first met. Okay, so all the way, my dear friend Juvie, congratulations to you and happy 23 years anniversary. Mabuhay tayo. Mabuhay tayo. More power to the program. Everybody, long live.